Nestled in its idyllic Massachusetts landscape, this house, designed by Tom Kundig of Olson Kundig Architects, was conceived as a bucolic weekend retreat for a Boston-based family. It is situated in an ecotone, the geographical location where two different ecological systems meet, poetically marking the point where the forest transitions into a meadow. This positioning at the boundary between ecosystems provides a diverse lifestyle, with the forest offering protection to the Vergelegen Berkshire Residence, intimate, quiet, and introspective, while the meadow on the other side of the house offers priceless views of the valley and the distant low-lying mountains. The house is composed of two narrow stacked volumes, a lower level clad in concrete and an upper cantilevered floor covered in corten steel and glass walls. To make the most of the minimalist setting where the forest meets the meadow, most of the living space is concentrated on the light-filled upper floor, including the 3 bedrooms, the kitchen, the living room, the office, and the music room. Kundig designed the house to be elevated, offering the owners a privileged vantage point to take in the views while also providing a sense of protection. The 4,300 square foot residence offers stunning views of the Taconic Mountains. The interiors of this fantastic project are finished with warm materials like wood, plaster, waxed steel, and leather, creating an inviting environment for relaxation and unwinding. The house was designed to both look out onto the surrounding green landscape and serve as a refuge. It is narrow enough for both aspects of prospect and refuge to be experienced in every room. To combat insect problems, large retractable screens drop from the ceiling to the floor when the windows are open, evoking a classic country house feature, the screened porch. Kundig allowed himself to be creative and playful, as this is a second home. The main level of the house is about 10 feet off the ground. In the living room, which has 2 walls of windows, each measuring 24 feet wide and 11 feet tall, turning a metal wheel allows the walls to slide open completely and suspend on cantilevered beams. The same metal wheel mechanism also appears in the master bedroom at the other end of the house, meaning that both sides of the house can open almost entirely to the environment.